Hey there, car lovers. I'm about to share something that might shock you. Ready for this? Your car manufacturer might be lying to you. I know. That sounds crazy, right? But here's the thing. I've been turning wrenches for over 20 years, and I've seen thousands of engines die way too early because people followed the official advice. Today, I'm going to show you how a simple $20 habit can literally save you thousands of dollars and help your car hit 300,000 miles or more. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know more about keeping your car alive than most people learn in a lifetime. And trust me, your wallet will thank you. The big oil change lie. Let's start with the biggest myth in the car world. Those 10,000-mile oil changes your owner's manual talks about. Think of your engine oil like the blood in your body. Would you want to go a whole year without fresh blood? Of course not. But that's essentially what manufacturers are telling you to do with your car. Here's the real deal. Car companies want to sell you a new car every few years. They're not trying to help your current car last forever. They make these long oil change intervals look good on paper because it makes their cars seem cheaper to maintain. But guess what happens right after your warranty expires? That's when the expensive problems start showing up. I've pulled apart engines that followed the 10,000-mile rule, and let me tell you, it's not pretty. The oil turns into black sludge that's thicker than peanut butter. It clogs up everything and basically chokes your engine to death. Here's what actually works. Change your oil every 5,000 miles or 6 months, whichever comes first. Use full synthetic oil. Yes, it costs more upfront, but think of it like buying good food instead of junk food. Your engine will thank you by running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles. Pro tip: if you do a lot of stop-and-go driving, live in a dusty area, or tow things, change it even more often. Maybe every 3,000 to 4,000 miles. Your engine works harder in these conditions, just like you get thirstier when you exercise more. The 6 habits that make cars immortal. Okay, now let's talk about the other stuff that can make your car practically immortal. Think of your car like a human body. It's got different systems that all need care to stay healthy. Habit number 1. Feed your transmission. Right, your transmission is like your car's digestive system. Most people ignore it until it stops working, but by then it's too late. The fluid inside gets dirty with tiny metal particles. Imagine trying to eat food mixed with sand. Not good, right? Change your transmission fluid every 60,000 miles. And here's a big warning: never flush an old, neglected transmission. If it's been ignored for 150,000 miles, that old dirty fluid might be the only thing holding worn parts together. It's like removing the duct tape from something that's barely hanging on. Habit number 2. Keep your coolant fresh. Your coolant is like your car's air conditioning system for the engine. After about 5 years, it turns acidic and starts eating your engine from the inside out. I've seen engines where the coolant turned so bad it looked like chocolate milk and cost the owner $5,000 in repairs. Change it every 50,000 miles or 5 years. It's way cheaper than buying a new engine. Habit number 3. Replace your timing belt before it snaps. Imagine your heart suddenly stopping while you're running. That's what happens when a timing belt breaks while you're driving. The engine parts crash into each other like a car accident happening inside your engine. If your car has a timing belt, not all do, replace it every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Don't wait for it to break. It won't give you a warning. Habit number 4. Keep your spark plugs happy. Think of spark plugs like the matches that light a campfire. When they get old and weak, your engine can't burn fuel properly. It's like trying to start a fire with wet matches. It just doesn't work well. Bad spark plugs can waste 30% of your gas money. Replace them every 60,000 to 100,000 miles or when your car starts running rough. Habit number 5. Flush your brake fluid. Here's something scary. Old brake fluid can actually boil when you brake hard. When it boils, it creates air bubbles, and air bubbles mean your brakes might not work when you need them most. Brake fluid soaks up water from the air like a sponge. After 2 to 3 years, it's full of water and needs to be changed. This is literally a life or death maintenance item. Habit number 6. Clean your mass. Airflow sensor. This little sensor is like your car's nose. It smells how much air is coming into the engine. When it gets dirty, your car can't breathe properly. Before spending $300 on a new one, try cleaning it with special cleaner. It works most of the time and costs about $10. The deadly mistakes that kill engines. Now let me tell you about the mistakes that can destroy your engine faster than you can say expensive repair. Mistake number 1. Revving a cold engine. When your engine is cold, the oil is thick like honey. Revving it immediately is like asking someone to run a marathon right after they wake up. Let your car idle for 30 seconds to a minute, then drive gently until it warms up. This is especially important if you have a turbocharged engine. Mistake number 2, ignoring the dirty undercarriage. Salt, mud, and grime under your car are like termites in a wooden house. They eat away at metal parts. Spray off the undercarriage at least once per season, more if you live where they salt the roads or near the ocean. Bonus pro tips. Here are some extra secrets from my toolbox. The magic logbook. Keep a simple notebook in your glove compartment. Write down every service you do with the date and mileage. This logbook is like a medical record for your car. It helps you catch problems early and can add thousands to your car's value when you sell it. The 5-minute weekly check once a week. Spend 5 minutes checking your fluids, tire pressure, and looking under the car for leaks. Catching problems early is like catching a cold before it becomes pneumonia. The right parts philosophy. When it comes to critical fluids like transmission fluid, use exactly what the manufacturer specifies. Generic might work for some things, but transmission fluid is not the place to save $10. Alright, my friends, here's the bottom line. Your car is probably the second most expensive thing you'll ever buy. Taking care of it isn't just about avoiding breakdowns. It's about protecting your investment and your family's safety. Remember, manufacturers want to sell you new cars. I want to help you keep your current car running forever. The choice is yours, but now you know the truth. These habits might seem like a lot, but think of it this way. Would you rather spend $500 a year on maintenance or $5,000 all at once on a major repair? I know which one I'd choose. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-saving car tips. Drop a comment and let me know. What's the highest mileage you've ever gotten out of a car? I love hearing your success stories. And remember, a well-maintained car is a happy car, and a happy car makes for a happy wallet.